Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on a Thursday, May the 16th, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have also two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve. Why not all? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved three regular puzzles this afternoon. So it will be a lot for a day. But this one, let me continue with this one. Number 8546 is an easy one. Why? Well, usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 31 printed digits. So I don't think it's a 3 stars. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars, 14, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Two numbers left in this big square. Four numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. Alright, and now. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between. There's a second column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above from that row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2, alright. 2, 2, cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait, 9, 9, need a 6 here. Well. Well. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 place level 6 will be here, or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 in the second row, no 6 there, the only place level 6 should be there. 3 and the 9, now missing 3 and the 9. Alright, and now, need a 5, yeah, 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 place level 5 should be here. Or there we have 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 place level 5 should be here. Or there we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 place level 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 place level 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. The 1 in this row, third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row, the only place level 1 should be there. 1, 1, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Well. How about the 2? Still cannot continue with the 2. How about the 7? 7. 7. No. 7. Oh, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place level 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7, this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. Need a 4 there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 place level 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Cannot finish it yet. Let me mark those here. So 3 and a 9. 3, 9, and need an 8 there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. Alright. Okay, need a 4 here. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 9 in this column. No 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. We have a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in the third box. So no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. These are number 2. Then let me see. 1 box left in this second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this first row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 9 goes there. Alright, and now let me see. 4, 4. 1 and the 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. That means here also 1 and 3. 2 numbers left. 3 missing numbers. 8. Need a 9 here. And I need a 6 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. Look, we have a 6 in this one. No 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. So the 8 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 1, 3, and need a 7 here. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1. Well. Need a 7 here. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. Yeah, one of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 in those two boxes. 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. Then, yeah, 1, 1. Need 8. Need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. 1 and a 3. We already have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Here we have 8 and 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be in. 7 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column. 8 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9, 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 8 and a 9, we have an 8 in this column, first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you should be a 0 stars, need to be faster than 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.